Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how to use the auto enhance in Capcut apps. So I want to open my project, and then to use the auto enhance, for example, I'm going to add the adjustment. Just click on it and select the auto adjust to enhance your video. Just click on it so you can adjust for the opacity and just click check mark. So it's very quick for edit. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.